Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a VoiceThread and I'll go over what the different parts are. In the next video I'll show you how to respond to the VoiceThread and the different ways you can respond. So here I am in Etudes, I'm in the discussion board, and the professor has posted this VoiceThread and is asking the class to respond inside the thread. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click this button up here in the upper right hand corner to maximize the VoiceThread, and now I can see things a lot better. Also at the top I see my name, so I should be automatically logged in. You do not have to type in a username or a password or anything to use the VoiceThread because it's fully integrated into Etudes. If for some reason your name isn't on here and it says sign in, let your professor know and have them contact either Alana in professional development or Hema in distance ed, and we'll get it straightened out. You'll also see that I have this chess piece as my avatar, and for some reason it doesn't let you change your avatar right away. You have to first reply to the thread and then it gives you the option to change your avatar. So I won't be changing it now in this video. I'll be going over that in the second video. Here in the middle, we have the main piece of media that the professor posts. In this case, it's a video, and so we have this gigantic play button here. But your professor could also post some slides from a PowerPoint, images, a document, etc., in which case this play button will not be there. Down in the lower right-hand corner, we'll see a plus sign and a minus sign. The plus sign would be to zoom in on that media. Since it's a video here, hitting that plus sign will actually make the video start, so I'm not going to demonstrate. But if it were an image or a chart or a document, I could zoom in and out using these buttons here. If there were more than one slide posted, so more than one picture, more than one document, then this arrow down here would be lit up, and I could use these buttons to click back and forth between the different slides. And then I could click this button to show all the slides at once. But since there's just one video here, these buttons they're not active right now. On the left, we'll see this indicates that the main piece of media is a video. And then below it, I see there's been one response. So when I click play on the video, VoiceThread's going to play the video and then it'll automatically jump to this next response. Later on, if I wanted to, I could go back and replay the video and I could click on specific responses that I wanted to hear. As more and more people reply to the thread, we'll see different avatars appearing down in the line, and you can reply more than once. And then you'll see your own avatar appear multiple times. So let's go ahead and play the video and I'll show you how that works.
Hi, this is Jackie Friedman, your instructor for Art 101, and I'd like to know how your semester is going so far in fall of 2015. Please keep your response to less than a minute and practice using the VoiceThread tool.
Hi, this is Hema. I hope everyone's having a good semester. My semester's going great. The only interesting thing that I've done is change my hair color. And my computer's glitching. Yay! Okay, have a good semester, everyone. Bye!
So as you can see, you can shrink and enlarge that screen over there to make it bigger or smaller when you're listening to your classmates' replies. And then if you wanted to kind of skip to a certain spot in their reply, you can use this down here, the slide bar, to go to a certain spot
Delete interesting
in that reply, kind of like you would do on YouTube.
Okay, have a good semester, everyone.
And that's it for this video.